Unong Syam Ubelong Ru Managing Director ke Blind Lead Trust Organization Ubak Jitendra Dekhar Usyam baki brio ki badan jingduna ha ki bor yo I meklaya ki kendo ya shibon ki jing Ubak Jitendra ule thu ba ki don bon ki mat kum ki jing bom biang kapisa lang ba ki Chief Minister Social Assistance Scheme ki surok ki singkien ki ban hab ya lang ba ki nala baklam tap kilenti ya ki jat ki bom biang bat ru ki jing kendo jing jong ki ban tap ya ki vote Ula ong syuk baya kapisa de ban benkeu dak shi hajar tengka ha ka shi benai ha ka jaka ban ai sanspat tengka ha ka shi benai ula pentip ru ba ka senjok ketemu ban bu ya ka training center ka bamdan ka man seu nak bentagi break beduna ka bor yo I bat ong ba kane kan yarap yaki ha ka rukom yo kam yo jam
This scheme is 500 for each one. I think is very less. If we are looking, even though in Assam is 1,000. As of now, we the visually impaired people. We are afraid to go outside because the footpaths also is very rough. It's not, and the drain also there's a lot of drain which is not covered.